See, I'll turn it on in just a minute. What is that? Is that one of those fishes? What is that? Mama's touching it. It's okay. See, I can touch it. What do you think about that? It's okay. See? Does it scare you when it flips? What do you think about that? What if Mom turns it on, huh? See, it's just a fishy.
Hi, Char.
Hi, Char. I don't know, Mom. I don't know. Come here, baby. Let's see what it does. I'm going to turn it on. What's it doing? Is it flipping? Is it flipping? Oh, did you get it? It's still going. What in the world is this? She says, no, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. What is that? Oh my gosh, Charley, what is that? You got it? Did you get it? Let me put it back out here, okay? Oh my gosh, it's still going. Look at Charley, it's still flipping. You gonna get it? So come back here. What? I don't know, honey. You better get it. You better get it. What is that? I'm sorry, baby. She says, what the? Oh. It's okay. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby. What? What? You and Mama stop it? You don't like the fishy? You don't want the fishy? So what is that? I'll put it up, okay? Good job. Did you get that fishy? Good job. Good job, Char. I love you, baby.